In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of the Draftback extension to gain valuable insights into your Google Docs editing history. This handy tool allows you to play back your documents writing process. It's perfect for students, educators, or anyone interested in a detailed breakdown of their revision history. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to install the Draftback extension. To do this, open your Google Chrome browser. Once there, head over to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Draftback, or you can directly visit the Draftback extension page to quickly locate it. Once you've found it, look for the button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on that, and a pop-up will appear seeking your confirmation to add the extension. Click Add Extension, and in just a few moments, the Draftback icon will appear in your browser toolbar, confirming that the installation is complete. With the Draftback tool now set up, the next step is to open your Google Doc. Navigate to Google Docs in your browser. This is where you can open any document you'd like to analyze. Simply double-click to open the doc. You'll notice that Draftback automatically springs into action the moment you open your document. It's specifically designed to effortlessly integrate with your Google Docs, making the process seamless and efficient. For those curious about what you can do with the data, Draftback offers additional options for exporting or sharing your analysis. This is an optional step, but it can be incredibly useful. Once you've finished reviewing the playback, simply choose to export or share the visualization for further collaboration or to keep a record of your document's transformation over time. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up and begun using the Draftback extension to its full potential. This tool offers an insightful view into how your documents come together over time, providing a unique perspective that's both revealing and educational. Whether you're reviewing your own writing process or collaborating with a team, Draftback can provide valuable insights into how a document evolves with each edit. Thank you for watching, and happy document exploring!